In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a blog post in WordPress, and we'll be doing it in just 5 minutes. Formatting your blog posts not only makes them more aesthetically pleasing, but also enhances readability, drawing in more readers to your content. Let's jump right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is visit wordpress.com. If you already have an account, you can log in directly. If you're not logged in yet, simply click on Log In the top corner of the web page. This will guide you to the login page where you can enter your credentials and access your dashboard. Don't worry if you can't remember your password. WordPress offers easy ways to recover it. Once you're logged in successfully, navigate to the WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is your control center, giving you access to all your WordPress tools and options. It's a one-stop hub where you can manage everything related to your site. From here, look for the Posts section in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, select All Posts. This will take you to a page displaying all the posts you have created on your site. You can see them listed out with details like date, author, and categories. This is where you can decide whether to edit an existing post or create a new one. If you want to work on a new post, there is usually an option at the top that says Add New. Clicking that will open the editor where you can start writing or pasting your content. Now that we're inside the editor, this is where you'll format your blog post. Formatting is important for both SEO and user experience, so here are a couple of tips to make your post look polished. Start by writing a strong, engaging headline. This is one of the first things readers will see, so make it count. Following that, aim for an introductory paragraph that gives a brief insight into what your post is about. Make use of headings throughout your article to break up text into manageable sections. This not only helps with readability, but also allows search engines to better understand your post structure. WordPress makes it easy to insert various heading levels, from H1 to H6, depending on your needs. To keep your readers engaged, consider incorporating bullet points or numbered lists when listing multiple points, and make use of images to complement your text. Once you're happy with the way your content looks, don't forget to preview your post. This helps you catch any formatting errors or issues before it goes live. Finally, when everything looks good, hit that Publish button. And just like that, your well-formatted blog post is up for the world to see. And there you have it. Formatting a blog post might seem like a small detail, but it plays a crucial role in making your posts more effective and enjoyable for your readers. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!